Okay, I'm filming this on the DJI Action 2. Seems to be a bit of flicker going on. I'm not sure whether that will show on the screen in a minute, but it's showing on my phone in front of me. The footage you're about to see, it was filmed today using a DJI FPV drone with the Action 2 strapped to its back and with it backward facing just to get a different view to the camera, so maybe you can have a bit of comparison on the image quality. I haven't really thought about it, I'm just edited it and I'm giving it to you. I've not touched any of the colours or done anything with the footage out of either camera, either the DJI FPV or the Action 2, so it is as it is, both filmed in 4K. See what you think and let me know your thoughts. And you've also got a comparison on how it's performing now, which is sort of as a vlogger type camera, which is I think where the problem lies with the overheating. Out on the drone, no problem. Outdoors, no problem. Bit of wind around it dissipates the heat. But sitting on a stand like it is now, it's attached to the secondary component, which helps dissipate the heat. The singular camera part, that's where we have problems. I've just tested it a few minutes ago and it shut off again after 4 minutes. So the key is when it's a single unit rather than a dual. Okay, see what you think. Hope you enjoy.